Welcome folks to another YouTube video of Clack Card YouTube channel. Today, well, I got these packs here. I got them for free because I ordered them on Amazon like a month ago and they never came, so I canceled it and got my money back. I paid like 20 bucks for all these, 100 cards total. I got my money back and the guy sent me them for free. So thank you for there. It's called Kruk Cards, I think. I'm pretty sure it's called Kruk Cards on Amazon. They sell lots of cards and stuff. And so today I'll be opening all these up. We got a Skybox Inaugural Edition, 15 of those. Another Skybox Inaugural Edition. We got some Skybox Series 2 Inaugural Edition. Another pack of that. Then we got some Collegiate Collection, my favorite college team, North Carolina Tar Heels. We're going to be trying to find some Jordans in there, along with same with that one. Then I got some NBA Hoops, Series 1, 1991, 1982. We're going to start with the order I'm going in. Actually, we're going to have the North Carolina cards go last. So we're going to have the black ones go first. Let's get opening them. Let's hope these guys come off pretty easily. Just like this, yeah. Make sure you're always washing your hands good and hand sanitizer before you open these. Okay, maybe not. Oh, there we go. Sweet. Alright. There we go. Alright, so we got Tim Kempton. Got Dennis Rodman. That's a good play right away. Tyrone Bogues, a.k.a. Muggsy Bogues. Glenn Rivers. I wonder if this is Doc Rivers' his actual name, Glenn. Huh. Or if it's his brother, I don't know. That's cool. Let me know in the comments if that's actually him or not. Nyron Nix. Dan Majerle, something like that. The late Vlad Divac, I don't know. Stuart Gray. Joe DeMars. Tony Campbell. Delaney Rudd. Sam Bowie. Dave Corzine. Johnny Dawkins. And Ralph Sampson. So I'm going to keep these guys because I got a bunch of Muggsy Bogues cards. And I got a bunch of Dennis Rodman. I want to find a Bulls one. I'll just hold on to those guys for now. All right, our second pack of Skybox Black Inaugural Edition. Last pack of this. Jeez, these are so hard to get open. There we go, that works. Carefully open this guy. Jeez. Here we go. Alright, so we got John Sundvold. We got Fred Roberts. Purvis Ellison. Nice Sean Kemp, Supersonics card. Got Glenn Rice. LaSalle. Michael Cooper. Joe Barry Carroll. Clyde the Glide Drexler. Kelly Chapuka. Kevin Willis. Gary Grant. Kevin Duckworth. Terry Davis. Mark Akers. That's it for that. Nothing too good. Only a couple known players. I got Sean Camp as a known player, Muggsy Bogues, and Dennis Rodman. Collecting Dennis Rodman's because the Last Dance series deal. Move those to the side. Alright, next up, we got our 2 Skybox Series 2 edition. Nice looking packs here. I think I have opened some of these before. So let's get opening these guys. So these might be even tougher to open. Oh geez. Oh wait, oh never mind. That came undone pretty easily actually. Don't want to be careful of the corners there. Alright. Gary Payton NBA Draft. Nice looking card there. Hold on to that. Probably have to sleeve that one up. Blair Rasmussen. LA Clippers. Olden Polynice. Larry Bird. Mike Schuler. Another Dennis Rodman. Todd Lichty? I don't know if that's right. Chris Ford, coach. Buck Johnson. Robert Parrish. Portland Trailblazers. Dan Majerle. Sean Elliott. And Dennis Hobson. So nothing too special there. We got a Gary Payton. Nice NBA draft pick. Or draft. Nice looking card there. Hold on to that one, I guess. We'll sleeve that actually eventually. Second pack here. We also got a Dennis Rodman that one. Second Skybox Series 2. So I can't really tell the difference in those two, like the looks of them. I don't know what the deal is. Maybe just better players in the Series 2. I don't know. Alright. Richie Adubato. Derek Kerper. Antoine Carr. Utah Jazz. Mark West. Michael Adams. Orlando Woolridge. Harvey Grant. Anthony Webb. Greg Grant. Akeem the Dream Olajuwon. Sam Perkins. The ball's on fire, it looks like, you're glowing. Adrian Caldwell. Jeff Turner. And Casey Jones. So nothing too special there in that pack as well. That'll round up the Skybox cards. Now moving on to our 2 Series 1, 1991-1992 NBA Hoops cards. I've opened up the 89 and 90s packs that I got. These are these things. These ones. These are 90 and 91, I should say. Well, a lot of difference there. I like these better, the basketball. These are also for sale, $2 a pack if you want to. My eBay. I'll let that down in the description. Buy those. I also got some Flair baseball, 1988. And I got 2 packs of those. I got 2 boxes of those, and I got a couple of these, 1988 as well. Score. So let me know if you want those. $2. I can always make a deal too. $2 or $3 a pack. Alright, here we go. Let's open up some Series 1, 1991-92 NBA hoops. Alright, start off. Look at this cool looking design here. We got a Karl Malone, pretty nicely centered. A lot of that one actually. We got Pat Riley. Atlanta Hawks card. Moses Malone. NBA Yearbook Class of 74. Reggie Miller, Inside Stuff. Ronnie Sakali, that's how you say that. Fred Roberts. Chris Morris. Maurice Cheeks. Otis Smith. Rick Mahorn. Derek Harper. Darrell Walker. Reggie Williams. And Dwayne Coswell. Alright, so we got one more of those until I move on to the last, my favorite packs. Hershey Hawkins. Don Chaney, Coach of the Year for the Rockets. We got the Minnesota Timberwolves team card. On that. No. We got Alvin Robertson and John Stockton duo. Steals, league leaders in steals. Ooh, we got Magic Johnson milestones. Assists. A lot of that one for now. Willie Anderson. Sean Kemp. Mike Brown. Kevin Willis. Kevin Gamble. Rex Chapman. Ooh, BJ Armstrong. Add that to the collection. I'm collecting a bunch of Iowa boys. Yeah, BJ Armstrong. Darnell Valentine. James Edwards. And Charles Jones to round up that pack. So we got a couple good cards in that. Got a Magic Johnson, Moses Malone, and Karl Malone cards there. And along with my collecting BJ Armstrongs. They're always centered, but just added to the collection I have. And last but not least, yeah, Collegiate Collection, University of North Carolina Trading Cards, 2nd edition. So there's 16 cards combined. Is there a year for this, I wonder? Huh. Not sure. Alright, let's hope we get some, let's hope a Jordan. Let's get a Jordan. Let's get a Jordan. Come on, Jordan. What are these? How do you even open these? What do we got? I don't even know what that is. To receive $2 off your favorite school trading card binder. Send 4 of these coupons and $6.95 per binder. I don't know if I'll do that. Alright, here we go. We got Rich Yanaker, Dave Chadwick, Ernie Williamson, Charlie Justice, Doug Pascal, Curtis Hunter, and Geno Smith, and Mac Brown. Dang, so nothing too crazy there. Mac Brown, he's the coach there now, actually. He went back there. Huh, I didn't know he started there. Oh, he went to Iowa State. So I live in Iowa. That's cool. I didn't know that. I have to hold on to that card, actually. Alright, we got one more. Last pack of this video. Come on, Michael, or at least someone I actually kind of heard of. Come on, Michael. One of those steals. Oh ho! Legendary Dean Smith. Rest in peace, Dean Smith. You're gonna have to hold on to that one. It's kind of chipped in the corner though. Phil Blazer. Ken Willard. George Karl. Jimmy Black. David Dressler, something like that. Steve Streeter. And another Dean Smith. So nothing besides Dean Smith there. Too crazy. Dang it. I was hoping for some MJ. But I guess not. Better luck next time, I guess. Alright. So that'll conclude the video here. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more. And have a great day. Thank you.